Girl, ang ganda mo.
Thank you so much po. Thank you po.
Oh my God, for me, I haven't posted your video earlier, but for me, you're already a standout.
Thank you so much
When
po.
everyone wore gowns, sexy gowns, you went the modest route.
Thank you so much
Was it
po.
a strategy? Can you introduce muna yourself?
Hi everyone, I'm Meredith Pobadilla, 18, from Occidental, Mindoro.
Oh my God, you're only 18.
Yes, actually I'm the youngest. I just turned 18 last November.
Pero my gosh, ang lakas ng dating mo sa akin
Wala,
kanina.
thank you so much po. Salamat po.
You're only 18.
Yes po.
Are you still studying?
Yes po, I'm studying
What course are you taking?
Humanities and Social Sciences.
So, I assume you're on leave?
I am homeschooled po. Homeschooled. Opo.
Oh, that's very interesting.
Yes po. Because I had a previous pageant. It was an international pageant when I represented the whole Philippines. It was last August and then I didn't have the chance to go to school face to face, so I chose to go to homeschool.
Talaga? Mas
Opo.
enjoy ang homeschool kaysa attending regular school?
Mas enjoy po yung yung regular school kasi I get to have friends and yung learning mas maganda talaga kasi tinuturuan ka eh. Pero I had to make choices. Kaya
Pero sino yung kunyari hindi ka naiintindihan sa mga
Opo.
inaaral mo? Who are you asking help from?
my tita, because she's a teacher. Opo.
So would you recommend kids to go
Homeschool.
homeschooling instead of
If you have a choice naman po to go to a regular school face-to-face, I would like to recommend for you to go to face-to-face because there you would gain a lot of friends, you would have opportunities, and you would have a lot of experiences other than yung sa pag-homeschool po kasi syempre makukulob yung yung personality. So mas maganda po talaga na face-to-face yung classes.
ganda mo talaga?
Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Strategy mo yung kanina, na balutan ka kanina.
Hindi po, kasi yun lang po yung nabili namin ng mom ko. Ang po kasi sa amin long dress, so yun lang yung namin. Pero meron pong nag-offer sa akin ng gown, pero sabi ko, sige long dress na lang kasi mukhang maganda naman siya. Opo.
Ganda.
Thank you po, thank you.
So, we have 4 crowns this year. Which crown are you aiming?
I'm aiming for the Miss World Philippines crown because I am here with a purpose, I am here with an advocacy, and I want to use the platform of Miss World Philippines to amplify my voice.
What's your advocacy all about?
My advocacy is environmental awareness, and later this year I have founded RRI, which is Radiant Roots Initiative. It is a